That's how it starts turning like a tank. The BYD U8. This is amazing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum people. I'm Karkid. You're watching a car review and this is called the BYD's Yangwang U8. Yes, the Yangwang is the sub-premium brand of the BYD automaker. This is the first production car of the Yangwang and it's called U8. Its debut in the Shanghai Auto Show 2023 and it's in the market here now. It's a full-size luxury and electric SUV but with the engine. So today we are going to find out what is this and what are the amazing options in this Yangwang U8. So I borrowed this beautiful BYD's Yangwang U8 from Alwan Motors in Russell Khor. Big collectors of the electric and Chinese car nowadays, and you can go into the description, have a look at the links of Alwan Motors. If you need anything special like that, you can say my name and get a reasonable discount. The price starts at 1,098,000 RMB. The starting price, it's almost 150,000 US dollars. In UAE, the price starts at 745,000 dirhams. So the BYD produces 1,180 horsepower and 2.0 liters turbocharged engine. You guys must be thinking, what's wrong? 2.0 liters and producing 1,180 horsepower. Yes, this engine is not connected to the wheels. This is only a range extender. It charges the 49.05 kilowatt hours battery and that battery gives power to the motors and it extends the range to 1,000 kilometers. This has 4 individual motors, each for every individual tire. So combined it produces 1,180 horsepower and 1,280 Newton meters of torque. 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. Remember, this car weighs like 3,460 kgs, but a very fast car. At the front of the Yangwang U8, how nice are these LEDs? It looks like crystals all over the lights and it's very unique design, as you can see, and the light is not straight, it's just pulled up from here and it's very nice. When you unlock the car, look at the turn signals. It's here and look at the LEDs, they play or the dance, and look at the grille. So these are like inspired, I think, by the stars. So it's like tiny stars all over, and when you unlock and when the LED lights up, so these all are matching. Wow, what a nice design at the front. You got 38 sensors, 3 lidars and 13 cameras all over this car and many other things that can assist you in driving. And look at the shape. This car from the front and the side may looks like a Defender, but believe me, the options, they are never ever close to the Defender. This thing is really advanced and having a lot of options. The back of the U8, you can see U8. Look at these amazing LED lights over here. Look, the dancing LED lights as I have shown you in the front. You got the spare wheel over here with the camera and this is optional. You can not order this one and you don't have a tow hitch in this off-roading BYD Yangwang U8, but you have optional tow hitch you can add up. You got cameras all over and this is the tailgate that you can open from here, and with the help of the remote itself, it will unlock like that and you can open and you can see the cargo area. You have Alcantara over here. Look at the design, the leather, the wood and Alcantara. Amazing quality of the U8 BYD's Yangwang. Let me show you one interesting option. You got lights over here. They're showing you the charging left in the car. So when you lock the car, it will blink some LEDs over here, and look at this pillar. You got 2 lights remaining. So if you have a full charge, it will show you full charge. If 2, it means you have some percentage left. It will show you the battery percentage according to these lights. So the side of the BYD's Yangwang U8, have a look at the wheel, 22-inch wheels, and look at the design of this fender flare with the cameras, the lidars over 2 sides. One lidar is up there and so many cameras, sensors all over, and you got the Dice's Peace active suspension. This suspension can help you in the different terrains, and also you can raise and lower the height of this suspension from the button inside. Look at the smooth doors over here. When you unlock the car, you have a handle popping out and you have the electronic side step. It will come out when you unlock the car, and these are the soft closing doors. Lock the car, they will go inside. This car is equipped with the two very unique technologies. One is called the tank turn. You have a button inside, E4 written on the screen. You can press it and you can select the angle. This car can turn around 360 degrees in the same position. So let me show you description and tutorial how it's done. First of all, you have to fasten the seat belt for this rotating option. Under the infotainment screen, you have E4 button. So press the E4 button. You will have the angles of the car you want to turn. So you have to select the angle itself and you have to start vote. So when you start the vote at the screen, you have a left and right turn. So you have to select which way you want to turn. So I have selected right. Then you have to select the speed, low, medium or high. Then you have to select start. It will give you option that put your car into the drive position. So you have to put into the drive, car will start spinning. So that's how it starts turning like a tank, the BYD U8. This is amazing. You might be thinking that this thing can chew your tires. Yes, you're right. And can you believe this, that you got this option in your car? How amazing is this BYD U8 Yangwang? Wow, wow, wow. I cannot forget this. I cannot forget this experience. And this is something amazing I have not seen in any car. This BYD is amazing. This was the tank turn option, and how amazing is this? You guys must be having a question that this option can chew your tires. The answer is yes. For this amazing option, you have to compromise some of your tires. Yes. The other option is the emergency float option in this BYD's Yangwang U8. What is that? This car can go in water. Some of the emergency situations like flood situations. So this car can sense that the car is going in the deep water. The ground clearance can be like 55 inches. It can extend the suspension to the higher level and take you to the solid surface. It can run in water, float in water for 30 minutes on 3 kilometers per hour speed, and it can take you to the solid surface. How amazing is this? But in this option, the car shuts off the engine, shuts off the AC, closes all the windows, but just open the sunroof for the emergency exit. How amazing is this U8? So welcome to the Yangwang U8 Interior. Look at the quality of seats. Look at the stitching, the design of the front seats, the logo here, the dashboard, the roof. Even you have Alcantara at the roof and even on the doors. You got three type of qualities: the leather, Alcantara and wood. Let's sit in. You should have the key to start the car. There is a button to start it. Press it like that and you will hear the welcoming sound of the Yangwang U8. And you got three different screens: the 23.6 inches instrumental cluster, 12.8 inches infotainment screen, and 23.6 inches screen for the passenger. You got one screen here, one at the back center of the seats, one here to control your climate if someone is sitting at the center. Special feeling when you sit in this amazing interior. Literally the quality is very, very nice. You got very nice floating screen over here. You got the center console, and the design of it, it like just a packed driver, packed passenger, and you got two wireless chargers here. So you got this instrumental cluster. You can partially touch the instrumental cluster and have access to some options like seat positions, the heads-up display, the big heads-up display, and the brake and all that. And these buttons on the steering wheel are here for some a little tiny detail that you can see on this small screen. And you can see that I'm touching that screen and I can rotate the car all over. It's showing me that two doors are open. This portion is not touch, so it's partially touch screen. So you got two buttons that you can roll here, and these are really unique because when you just roll, you can change the modes, different modes. You got eco, sports, normal. So you got three different modes here, and when you change this one, you can change it to the off-road modes. Like I'm changing now, so it's wading, mountain, mudland, sandland, snowfield. So you can change different modes like here. It will show you on this screen as well and in this screen as well. Got the air vents at the top of the dashboard like here. Some of the options are really unique in this car. These are the applications, so you can go on to the different applications. First, let me show you the settings. When you go into the settings, you got the Yangwang U8 settings. So why Yangwang link? So it's showing you that you can connect your phone to wireless, to Bluetooth in etc, and sound settings, display settings, app settings, system and version you can see. Then Yangwang Pilot. So when you click on the Pilot, it will show you intelligent lane change assist, intelligent cruise control. So it's very assistive. You can just put into the intelligent lane change and it will change automatically. Then you can click on the energy and it will show you how much percentage of your battery left. The car settings, so you can go into the car settings, so you can have a comfortable control like weak, moderation, powerful, suspension settings and all that, steering assist, brake assist mode. Then you can go on the lights, and there you got starlight headliner. So you got the roof that is with the starlights, it's called starlight headliner, and you can enable the starlights. You can go into the starlight settings and you can have a different lights and different themes and all that in your roof. So you got ambient lighting option. You can go into the ambient light and change the lighting colors as per your mode. And then you have vehicle health. It will show you the maintenance things and all that. Then you got the applications. You got image, voice assist, smart charging, DVR, the dash cam. And one very interesting and unique option in this car is when you click on the camera, so you have a dash cam that is capturing the movement in the front, but if you want to take picture inside, you can just convert the camera and look at this area. The camera is coming down of this specific area and you can take the picture like that, and you can see the picture taken in your gallery. This is amazing option, and look at the camera, it's gone back in. So like that you can go into the camera settings, and even you can record a video as well. You can click in the center for the climate control settings, and you can have different climate control settings. You can adjust the swing as you want like that. Then you have heated and cool seats, rear seats climate control, then fragrance if you feel that there is some smell in the car, so you can use your fragrance as well. So these are the settings in this infotainment screen. You got some shortcut keys over here. So this is E for, again, the tank turn button. You can just go to the shortcut and tank turn your car. This is the auto parking. Auto parking in this car is enabled, so you can go into the parking, press this button, and the car will find the parking for you and it will automatically park the car. This is the DICE suspension direct shortcut button, so you can click on it and you can just select the suspension as per your requirement. So this is the hazard button and power switch off for the climate control. Down here you got the def lock buttons over here, and this is the start stop button. When you click this button, so the car will start and stop itself. This is the hydraulic. When you click on this, the car will raise and the car will lower itself with the help of this. The traction control button, when you press it, the traction will off and on with the help of these buttons. So at the front you got two wireless charging options. This is the floating center console. You got some of the storage at down here, and you got some ports over here, you can use them. And also you have a storage area here and heated and cool box. The fridge you got here, two cup holders, a very nice seat. This is the glow box compartment, and 23.6 inches screen for the passenger that you can watch movies, go into some settings, and that's all. So let's move back. Also you can use the buttons to close the shade of your sunroof and open the sunroof, close the sunroof with the help of these buttons. So I'm at the back of this spacious U8 Yangwang U8, and what an amazing car this is. Look at this thing. You got a screen over here, you got 12.8 inches screen, 12.8 inches screen, you got a screen over here, you got a screen at the center to control. If this is closed and you want to just access to the climate control, you can just tab and access to the climate control screen over here, and you can just adjust your climate control screen. This is the screen. Wow. Open the window, look, close the window, ambient lights, starlight headliner you can control with this screen, sunroof, okay, sunroof, open. You can open the sunroof with the help of this. You can close the sunroof with the help of this touch on this screen. Wow. The ventilation, Wow, this is amazing car. This is amazing car. So you got different options. Sunshade, if you only want to open and close the sunshade. So look, I'm closing the sunshade now and it's closing like that. Really nice. Open, very easy to use, very friendly screen. Really nice, really nice. And you can go to the climate control settings. You can adjust the climate control for your seat, for the cabin, everything. You got fully automatic seats. You can control with the help of the buttons at the side. Very nice and spacious car. Very nice headroom. Look at the Alcantara. Wow, the material, the light, touch light like that. And one interesting option, you can go into this screen, touch the screen, go into the applications, look at the top of the screen, click in the camera, and you will see a small camera coming out of at the top of this screen. You can just click, take your photo and go into the gallery and watch that, and even you can record the video with the help of this camera. Let me show you on this screen that you will see it very clearly. Look at the camera and it's coming out of this small space over here at the top of the screen, and you can just close and it will go in. You can just close and it will go in. Look, very nice, very nice. Look, it's going in. I'm really impressed. So let me try the Yangwang U8 in power. So 1180 horsepower, 0 to 100 in 3.6 seconds. Let me shift into the sports mode and let's try 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. To be really honest, no butterflies in my stomach, but yes, this car is fast. As I told you that this car weighs like 3,400 and something kg, but this car is fast. Yes, with the luxury, with the heavy body, big size, this car is fast and giving you all the options. It's very smooth. It's very smooth. Really nice. The heads-up display is big heads-up display. Oh, I feel really smooth all over leather. You have Alcantara, even not on the roof. You got even in the trunk, you got Alcantara. It's very supportive. The seats are really supportive. The belt, when I just put on the belt, it was like tightening my body according to my body. And even when I'm taking like little right and left turns, the seats are really supportive. They are supporting me that I should not fall to the left or right. So it's really amazing to drive this U8. I feel so special. A very unique piece of machinery. So this was the BYD's Yangwang U8. Hope you enjoyed the video. If by mistake I have given you any wrong information, my apologies for that. If you like to see videos in Urdu language, you can subscribe to my channel, that's Corkid Asia. If you have something unique like that, you can mail me at this email ID. Till the next video, take care of yourself and my channel as well. Peace out.